May another problem tayo dito about moment. The tool at A is used to hold a power lawnmower blade stationary while the nut is being loosened with the wrench. If a force of 50 Newton is applied to the wrench at B in the direction shown, determine the moment it creates about the nut C, and what is the magnitude of a force at A so that it creates the opposite moment about C. So, before solving such forces and moments, kailangan natin muna mag-drawing ng free body diagram. Ito yung pinaka-basic na pwede natin gawin, which is our free body diagram. So, sa free body diagram, mag-plot tayo ng ating X and Y plane. So, ang measurement daw ng ating x-axis is 300 mm. Ito yung C. And yung measurement daw ng y-axis natin is 400 mm. And meron tayong force dito, force F, and meron siyang right triangle na nabuo dito. 5, 12, and 13. And meron pa tayong isang force dito sa ating x-axis, which is our B. So, this is 50 Newton, and meron siyang 60 degrees na angle. Ngayon, yung ating resultant force is kailangan nating kunin yung mga x and y component niya. So, dito sa ating force F, alam natin na pag with respect to x-axis, yung ating right triangle, ang gagamitin natin is, familiar kayo dito, sa ka or SOHCAHTOA. So, sa ating cosine, adjacent. So, ang adjacent is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. And sa ating sine is opposite, which is 5. And hypotenuse is 13. So, basically, ito siya. So, ito yung ating F, Y, and ito yung ating Fx. Next, ito naman yung ating force B na 50 Newton. So, same lang din, gagamit tayo ng sine and cosine. So, 50, yung ating Bx, 50, cosine 60 degrees. By is 50, sine 60 degrees. So, 50 cos 60, 25. 50 sine 60 is 43.30. So, ito yung ating By. And ito yung ating Bx. Ngayon, nakuha na natin yung mga components. Ang kailangan na lang natin gawin is mag-moment tayo. So, sa A, ano daw yung moment it creates about the nut at C. So, ito yung ating C. So, dito tayo mag-moment. And let's assume na kapag nag-moment tayo, ang ating clockwise is positive. So, ano yung By natin? Ang By is 50 sine 60. So, force times distance is 300 millimeters. So, ang moment natin it creates about the knot at C is 12,990.38. Unit is Newton millimeter. So, ito yung ating answer sa moment it creates about the knot at C. Next, yung ating B. So, ano daw yung magnitude of force F at A? So, basically, ang tanong lang dito is ano yung value ng ating F. So, alam natin na moment at C is equal to F times the distance. So, moment at C is equal to force is unknown. So, F 12/13 times yung ating distance, which is ito. Kasi kailangan dapat perpendicular yung force tapos yung distance. Kaya siya naging 400 is kasi ito yung perpendicular sa ating force X, which is ito. So, kapag nagmo-moment tayo, dapat perpendicular lagi yung force tapos yung distance. So, MC or moment at C is equal to force times ito yung ating nakuha kanina sa ating force Fx and then times or multiply by 400 which is our distance. So that would equal to, so i-plug in lang natin 12,990.38 12/13 times 400. So, sa ating calculator, pwede nating i-shift solve ito. So, 12,990.38 is equal to, so, let F be our X. So, X 12/13 times 400, then shift solve equals. So, our F is equal to 35.18.